Are you serious?
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties of northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwestern Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. This is NOAA All Hazards
Well,
Radio Station.
all I know for sure is that the...
20 in Lincoln, Nebraska. The current time is 11:17 a.m. Central.
Well, I know for sure that... Well, I know for sure that the Zone Guard, the Recom,
Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest
the
15 to 20
HH54VP,
up to 30 miles an
the
hour.
GXT,
Tonight, cold. Mostly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny.
well, all I know for sure is that the Recom, the Zone Guard, the GXT, and the Midland HH54VP did successfully go off. But unfortunately, I don't know what's causing this. The Sanjian, the ER10, the ER210, and the freaking 400 did not go off. That's the main thing. That's a major bummer. I don't understand. Like, this has been going on for weeks now. Some of my weather radios have not activated, and unfortunately, the Sanjian has not. I have not received an alert off this thing yet. I mean, it did go off last week, but yeah, unfortunately, the Sanjian, the ER210, and the 400 did not activate. That is just a major bummer. But the main question is, did the 120 go off properly? Because remember, this thing always goes off for a freaking unrecognized message. Did you do the same thing again? This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. As soon as I click this button, and if I see required weekly tests scrolled across this thing, I'm gonna be so happy. And, come on, don't fail me, WR120. Yeah! Oh, finally! Oh, you finally activated properly! Required weekly test! No recognized message this time! Yes! Thank you so much for not failing on me, WR120. Oh, man. Well, this test got a whole lot better. But it would have been a whole lot better if 3 of my weather radios went off. All of them went off except for 3. The Sanjian, the ER210, and the 400. Hopefully next week that will change. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be here for that though. So this thing won't go off. But, yeah, man, what a turnaround. Thank you, WR120, for not failing on me. Thank you. Oh, man. You really made this test better. Alright, I'm gonna end this now, and I'm gonna celebrate.